Mamacita, tú te miras rica.
Maybe you're right, maybe you are. Let's talk. Oh no, that is okay. Come through. That is just a YouTube video. I will wait. Don't worry. Thank you so much. We have two theories as to what is happening with the Galaxy Watch 8, and there are new leaks, and I will tell you all about it. One theory is that Samsung, you will find that there is not many leaks going on online right now, and that could be that Samsung is cracking down on the leaks, which isn't necessarily a bad thing. But the other theory you have, maybe there isn't a lot to leak right now. Maybe you're right, maybe you are. Let's talk. I know there's so many people who are complaining about the battery life, and that will increase slightly on the Galaxy Watch 8. And when you look at what is happening right now for the Galaxy Watch 7 and 7 Ultra after the update, so many people are complaining that the battery life has dropped suddenly really significantly, and Samsung, please fix this. This will increase in the Galaxy Watch 8. And yes, we will see a physical rotating bezel as well, but not the Galaxy Watch Ultra 2. That is weird. Maybe it is like a 2-year thing. We see the bezel coming back every 2 years, but then we also see the Galaxy Watch Ultra coming back the year after. So like 2 years bezel, 2 years Galaxy Watch Ultra. Samsung likes to keep their chipsets for a while in their watches, for a couple of years at least. But this year it could be that we see an upgrade for the chip as well. We can also see an upgrade for the storage, which is going up to 64 gigabyte. And there is a reason for that, because when you look at what is happening in the background right now, Wear OS 6 will be coming out alongside with One UI Watch 7. One UI 7 watch, well, you know what I'm talking about. But there are some changes that require more storage. And personally, if you ask me, you can never have enough storage. Downloading songs, not relying on streaming, it's just the way to go these days. However, one of the biggest changes for Wear OS 6 will be the migration from Google Assistant to Gemini. And you can see this already happening in the background. So you can see right here, it is happening on the Galaxy Watch 6 and the Galaxy Watch 7. So expect the older versions of the Galaxy Watch also to receive Gemini. Obviously, you will see this first in July for the Galaxy Unpacked event for the launch of the Galaxy Watch 8. One of the biggest changes in One UI 7 watch will be Samsung Health. And there's one feature that I'm really interested in. It is called the vascular load indicator, which you can enable in labs. It is an experimental feature, as you know, but that tool can monitor how your daily activities impact your cardiovascular system, and it really can help you reduce strain on your heart and maintain long-term heart health. We all really need to look out for our heart. One way of doing this is basically collect all the data throughout the day, which includes your workout data or your sitting down data or doing nothing data. And if you can scan your food items, also take into account what you eat every day, and then it will give you guidance on how to move forward in order to be more responsible when it comes to your heart. You guys know AI is the buzzword of the year, if not the decade already, but Samsung will integrate a huge overhaul for your personal coach in Samsung Health, and it will let you choose to focus on either sleep, weight loss, or exercise, or your overall health. And then it will guide you through your process in the day and what you should and you shouldn't do, or what you should do better. When it comes to those features, you could say, well, it's all a gimmick. But what I want to share with you here is that when I use my Galaxy Watch 7 Ultra, in the middle, I have the stress indicator. And of course, when I go jogging or weightlifting, then you can see that the stress level spikes and it goes up because I put more stress on my body. But what it has shown me so far is that when you have regular tasks going on in your life, like let's say you cannot log into your computer and suddenly you can see the stress level going up, going up, going up. And that is something you should really think about, because then you need to calm down. This is one side is the physical stress, but the other side is the mental stress you don't necessarily see. So thank you for watching and see you next time. Peace out.
Mamacita, tú te miras rica.